Hello guys, how are you doing today? Today is the day 2 of my coming back from the hospital. Day 1 was yesterday. We came back yesterday. So I wasn't able to document. I was feeling so sick. I was in so much pains and I wasn't able to just do anything like covering what happened. In fact I've not slept for a while now. Anyways, today is day 2 and I just want to do a little unboxing of this package. Of my package that came in. I ordered my push gift. My push gift. And I want to see what is inside. So I just wanted to do the unboxing before I go back to my new life. So let's open it and see what's inside. Do you want to guess? Do you want to guess what's inside here? I don't even know. Let's just see. My hair! This is in 2020s. Yay! Hey! It's given. It's given because I'm happy with my order already. This is super double drawn and double drawn natural straight Vietnamese hair. 200 grams. It came with a closure. I used to sell hairs. I know I've not told people about my business yet, but this is the first time I'm ordering from UK. It's Nigeria I usually order from, so I knew they were definitely going to deliver. So I bought this one for myself, and it came with a 2x6 18-inch closure. And let's this one. So this is Baby's already crying. Hey, wow. And this one is this thing is full though. This is just 100 grams that is this full. This is pixie coral. How full it is. This is pixie coral, 100 grams, 10 inch. I want to add it to one of my, I have facts. When I do the weekend, people are going to see. Hey. Anyways, my orders came in as expected. I'm so happy. So see you guys later. I'll keep you guys posted. I'm trying to keep my voice low. I don't want her to wake up just yet. So guys, I want to show you people what the hair looks like with natural light. Let me show you people. This is it. So that's it.